So what is the worst way of promoting affiliate program? See, I have seen that people, when they join some program and their mentor said, okay, this is the best program. And I say that, yes, that program should be good. And I will say this is the best program I have joined ever. But the way you promote that program, that matters. Means I have seen like people, without knowing who they are, without knowing who I am, and directly, without having any information about what I am doing and do I need that program or not. They simply start promoting that program. They will going to talk about all the benefits, and they will talk about how product is good, what are the values you will going to get from that program, and what are the how many commission you will get, and they will start sharing the links, and then after that they will start sharing you the how much amount they have earned, everything. They want to make themselves like they have joined the best program in this world. This is what they have to share, and this is what they do. But they don't understand that I don't care if that program is best or not. Seriously. Because if, just think about, I have saw you are creating content, you are helping people, you are providing value. And I have seen that yes, you are creating some valuable content and this content can help me. Then without even thinking too much, I am going to start watching your videos and I will start connecting with you, and I will start try to learn from you. I have no idea what program you're promoting. I don't even care about that. But I believe that yes, you can help me. And this is what I will do. I will start approaching you, and I will start to learn from as much as I can. And at the end, what is going to happen? He will going to promote me some program, and I will going to buy that program. You know why? Because I don't care what program he is selling. I care what value he can deliver to me. And the person, I'm connecting with the person, not the program. Because program is the least interested thing you should care about. So to make you understand in a much better way, okay, just think about the people who are learning from me, the people like my paid clients. When they get into the call, what I did, I start providing value, and I started seeing, okay, what are the problems he have, and what are the solution I can give to him, and I started providing value, and I started helping him, and I have built a strong connection with him, right? I started giving right direction, what are the ways of doing, what are the right ways, what are the wrong ways, and what are the skills you have to master, and how you have to approach this whole affiliate marketing things. And I have not talked about anything about product, like what product I'm going to sell. I'm not talking about anything. And at the end, he asked me, just tell me, okay, give me something, like tell me what should I do. Then I just recommend, okay, go and start, join this program so that I can help you. And he believed and he just bought that program. He doesn't care like what kind of program I'm promoting, because he believed in me, what I'm doing, and he believed in me like this person can help me. And if he's saying something, yes, he must be saying right. And this is what you have to also understand, that if you are doing affiliate marketing, just don't become confident too much. Product you are promoting, let's say it will be there today, but what about future? What if the product has just removed and some issue has came and they have removed that program? Now what are you going to do? If you did the way I have told you, like promoting yourself first, providing value, and not caring about what product program you are selling, yes, the program you are promoting, that matters. But the thing is, how you are promoting that program. You are just really confident about the program, or you are confident about your values, how you can help them people provide value. This is what you're confident about. Because now whoever people watching your content, whoever learning from you, they will going to wait and they will listen what you are saying. They will not care, okay, what program you are going to recommend. Because if you're going to recommend, okay, go and join this program, they will going to believe, because they have the trust that yes, this person, whatever he is saying, he must be right, because he have provided me the value first, not he's just promoting this program. So this is what I have to share in this video, guys, that you have to promote yourself first. Yes, the program you're promoting, that matters, but not like how people think about just talking about product every single time, their income and all those things. That doesn't matter. So this is what I have to share in this video, that stop too much talking about your program, whatever the program you are promoting, and start focusing on helping and providing value, solving problem, and building relationship. And people will be going to trust, and they will be going to ask, okay, just tell me what program I have to join, and they will be going to join the program, not because what program you are selling, because you are promoting that program. That's why they are going to join that program. So guys, that's the end of this video. And guys, if you are into affiliate marketing and you don't know what kind of thing I have to do and how should I start this affiliate marketing thing, I have no idea about this, what you can do is you can connect with me on Facebook. I have given the link in the description. You can go and let's connect to first see what are the problem you have and if I can solve the problem or not. And then I will try my best to solve the problem so that you can take action and start applying into your business. So guys, that's all in this video, and let me know in the comment section, guys, what are the things you have learned in this video. Okay.